That's weird.
So I wasn't gonna film me installing what you're about to see today, but the PPF was so bad that I really wanted to show you how I had to freehand cut my PPF before installing my emblems. It just incredibly bad. Looked like they just cut a hole randomly. Part of the adhesive was on the PPF, part of it was on the paint. It was just really bad. I don't know who installed this in, I believe, Pennsylvania, but don't go to them if we ever find out who it is. Like, it was not a good cut at all. Okay, everyone. So, I'm actually slowly working on my car and making sure I don't cut into the paint. So, as you see here, car's filthy. So, this is just residue. The people that installed this PPF ended up going under the emblem. The problem is they did a terrible job. So part of the emblem adhesive was on the PPF, part of it was on the paint. They didn't cut a really good circular section. I think when I get it redone, it's gonna be the pre-cut. So what I did was I cut the edges completely out with a Exacto knife, like this, very, very carefully. And then as you see, I got the edges pretty straight for the most part. I'm not worried about this too much because that can just come out. This is just leftover adhesive, and then I am going to clean this up and install my new emblems. All right, so car's filthy yet again. If you look at the close-ups of the BMW logo, I want to let you know that I did use a old PPF that I had to put over the emblem so it doesn't get chipped up. It was a pre-cut from 3M, I believe. So it's still drying, there's still some bubbles in it. It's harder to do emblems. So yeah, you see some bubbles right there, and those should come out over time. If not, I'll pull the PPF off and just leave it non-PPF. That being said, it does look really good. I was able to get it pretty centered, I feel like. All the edges have similar distance. I think the easiest way was to tear the backing in half and have it sort of hanging out on the side. There's 2 notches on the top, and what I did was I pulled it all the way down to the edge so it will essentially be even, because that's the only direction that it can move. And so it won't be like slanted or side to side, since the holes aren't exactly perfect for the notches. So you pull a little bit down, it'll be slotted in, and then you pull this out from around, and then it will fit perfect. I think it looks great. Yeah, I think the black really sets the color of everything. I think next I'm gonna get these in black, the M4 emblems, but I'll have to get the whole grill set, which isn't a big deal since this is already chipped up and whatnot anyways. Yeah, this car is taking all my money. Guys, we're back. We have Kyler with us. He brought over the stuff that we ordered, which are the in performance Alcantara eBrakes. I'll show you them in a sec, but right now we're gonna go ahead and start coating them with waterproofing color lock, and we'll go ahead and install them. So here's Kyler's Alcantara matte carbon fiber. Looks really good. Then he has the white stitching. Then we have mine. It has the gloss carbon fiber Alcantara handle area, and then the M stitching. They look pretty similar, but they have
same
minor differences.
Same thing, different design.
Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and coat these with the color lock as that falls over. Waterproofing. And then we'll get these installed. Side note, Kyler had to stunt on all of us with his brand new MacBook. I'm still stuck on my old janky, 16-inch, but mine was free.
Yeah, stunting more like spending.
Yeah. It's cool though. I like it.
I needed it.
Yeah.
Editing these videos with ease.
Yes, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm getting his plugins transferred for Final Cut. Since I have all the plugins, he was using Premiere, so he's gonna switch to the Final Cut family. As Kyler sprays his, I just got done spraying mine, so he's spraying his now. It's so weird how they decided to use different stitching, different type of carbon on each one. Then we're gonna let these dry. We'll probably go remove ours out, and then we'll pop these guys in.
Should be the easiest mod ever.
Yeah, hope so. Break everything in our cars.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna scoot this back. I moved the armrest back already, and then I'm gonna start removing this. Excuse the dirtiness. All right, so from what I saw, you pull up and yank it, so we'll see if that works. Hey, that worked out better than I thought it would. Then, second step, I believe, was pinching this. Which, no, mine doesn't really want to pinch. I might just use my pry tool, to be honest. Oh, look, them fingers.
Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Just like that.
Whew, that was easier than I thought it'd be. Look at that. All right, $2. Who wants it? And up here, easy peasy. Slide this bit in. Looks like it's notched, so go ahead, slide this in. So it notches in. Try not to break any clips, so I'm just being extra careful. You can go all the way down. Hold on one sec. Some of the Alcantara is getting caught on my leading edge. Yeah, I'm trying to work that. Kyler and I are sort of OCD, so Alcantara getting caught is a no-go.
Yeah.
But got the edge down, got these all down, this all the way back.
Nice click.
Yep. This comes back down. Some of the color lock got on the carbon, so I had to use a screen cleaner wet wipe to sort of wipe it down, and I'll just repolish it later. Let's make sure this goes all the way down.
Yeah, I think it's good once it does that little click.
Perfect. Done.
Easy peasy.
Now I can put my seat back, since I'm short. I'll leave it right there. I'm gonna show you guys some cinematics. inspiration from Kyler. These front emblems and back emblems. Oh, he has his trunk up. His back emblems. Maybe want to get them. I think it matches my darker car better too. So you got the black one back here. And then the black one up front. Looks so good. That's the end of this video with the eBrake and then the new emblems. I got something planned for you guys soon. It should be super exciting to see. So once I get that installed, I will definitely make a video and post it. Stay tuned.